Hello stylers, welcome back to the Full Starting channel for another video. How are we doing today? I'm excited. um I'm like so excited. It's my first time sitting down in front of the camera in weeks, months. Today's video is going to be a very fun video because today I'm going to be doing some unboxing. And first up is going to be the fall mystery box from Mood. It's actually a large envelope, but whatever. I was browsing on Mood for fabric for my online shop for the fall fall and holiday season, and I seen that there had a mystery boxes up, and I saw that they had one for fall, and I think it said it is 4 yards of fabric. I believe a pattern. I can't remember. But 4 yards of fabric and all of like the thread and the matching thread and stuff to go with it. So I was like, I can use a challenge, content and a challenge and more fall fabrics and a fall DIY. So I said, why not? I tried. So I ordered it. Here we are. And so let's unbox this thing together. Ooh, first up is the fabric. Oh, wow. Okay, so first up is the fabric. Let's see what this is. This is an Italian heather purple stripe stretch polyester. So it's an Italian heather, a light purple, so purple heather stripe polyester. This is what it is. Let's see, give you guys a good look at it. This is the code and type. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna try to get a close up in it, and it's 4 yards of this, so I should have more than enough to create something. Next up in the bag is, oh, it's a moon bag. I've always wanted one of these. Oh my god, I'm gonna try not to use this for everything. I'm gonna literally try not to use this. Oh my god, it's a mood bag. I've always wanted one of these from watching Project Runway, and they have their mood bags, and they be like, "Thank you, mood." When they leave out and Swatch be there and Swatch is there asleep. Ah, it's a reusable mood shopping bag. I am going to try not to use the crap. I'm going to try not to use the crap out of this. I am going to try, because I love my reshoppable using bags. My cousin and one of my friends talk about me because it's like, look at you at the age you got reusable bags. Hey, my bags are cute. And I hate plastic bags. Okay. That's love that. Not officially part of the mystery box. Okay, so next up we have some buttons. So they sent us some silver and gray 2-hole faux shell buttons. Let's poke inside of this and see what this looks like. First of all, Mood, y'all packaging everything. Okay, let's see what these buttons look like. Oh, cute. Cute. Let's see if it'll focus on the button and not my face. Other side. These are nice. They sent me 10 of these. Then I have some of the Gutaman thread in purple that matches the fabric. Yes. It's gonna be some perfect top thread. And then they sent me what I really love is this. So this is the mystery kit. I probably should have read this first. Anywho, so your new fall kit includes 4 yards of the, also it's a suit, it's a suiting. Ooh, yeah. So stretch polyester suiting fabric, 10 buttons, 2 matching threads, and 1 ISO bag. Everything you need to make at least 1 garment. So, ooh, and we could use a hashtag made with mood to be featured. Definitely going to be doing that. So, on the back, they have fabric recommendation, like item recommendations of what we can use. They tell us about the fabric imported from Italy. The smooth heather polyester suiting is crisp yet soft, while offering a medium weight that feels that it's opaque with a subtle stretch, perfect for draping or structure silhouette. This poly is ideal for blazers, blouses, bottoms, button downs, dresses, jackets, office wear, pants, suiting, shorts, skirts, suits, tunics, tops, vests. So they give us like the wear, the not wear, the tips and tricks, the how to care for the fabric, how to pre-wash, pre-treat the fabric, and then they give us some of their skill levels. So they have something for, I guess, their patterns. Have you guys ever used Moods patterns? I am getting into them. Those floral pants that I made back in July, back in July, that was from Mood. I am currently working on another Mood pattern now. This is going to be something, I'm not going to tell you, but they have some of their pants. They have a bodysuit, another pair of culottes for beginner level, and then for any immediate level, intermediate level, I've always had a problem saying it, intermediate level, they have a suit and a pair of pants. I think I want to challenge myself and make a jacket. I want to make a jacket, a blazer. I doubt if I'll be able to get a blazer and a jacket out of 4 yards because it's me and my booty. The pants themselves could be 4 yards. So that either means that I can try to purchase this fabric, like 2-3 more yards of this fabric on its own. I may or may not do that. Anywho, so here is the card with all the information. I really love that it comes with this. And then, of course, oh, I think I will. I think I may actually do that. Oh, this don't start until the 11th. I think I will actually possibly purchase more fabric. So I wanted this to be a cute little unboxing slash vlog tutorial video. This may be a 2-part. I am going to go to the Mood website and through my Mood patterns that I've already loved and started downloading and liking, and see what I can create with this material with the 4 yards that's given. And if need be, purchase more fabric, but I would really love to challenge myself and stay within the 4 yards that they gave, just for those people who have, like me, wanted to see what the mystery box kit was like. My shopping bag. I want all of their orders to come like this. I want to know why my first order didn't come with one. I would have paid for one if I knew it was possible to get one. Okay. This is where it's going to live. And I will be back and we're going to do some research on some patterns that I would love to use with the 4 yards that we have. All right, stylers. See you in a bit.